This is History Replay this day. Have you ever been faced with a split-second decision that could change the course of countless lives? On January 15, 2009, and his choice became a beacon of hope and a testament to human skill and determination. In the heart of New York City, where skyscrapers touch the heavens, and the Hudson River flows with stories of old, a modern-day miracle unfolded. It was a chilly winter day when U.S. Airways Flight 1549 took off from LaGuardia Airport. With 155 souls on board, the Airbus A320 was bound for Charlotte, North Carolina. But just minutes after takeoff, the unexpected happened. In a sudden twist of fate, both engines of the aircraft ceased to function. This wasn't due to a mechanical glitch or human error, but rather an unexpected collision with a flock of geese, leading to an immediate and catastrophic engine failure. For the passengers aboard, the realization was chilling as they peered out of their windows. The world's most iconic skyline, which had moments ago been a distant spectacle, was now approaching at an alarming rate. The plane, once soaring high, was now in a rapid descent towards the heart of New York City. So here's the first thing I regret not knowing sooner. The man steering the fate of Flight 1549 from the cockpit that day was none other than Captain Sully Sullenberger. With a rich tapestry of over 40 years in aviation, Sully wasn't your average pilot. He honed his skills not only in the skies, but also as a glider pilot instructor, teaching many the art of flying without engine power. Additionally, he was recognized in aviation circles as an expert on airline safety, often sharing his insights and knowledge with others. On that chilling January day, all of Sully's experience, training, and innate skill converged in a moment of crisis, challenging him in ways he could never have anticipated. As the plane began its rapid descent against the backdrop of New York's sprawling skyline, air traffic controllers, in a desperate bid to avert disaster, presented Captain Sully with potential lifelines: a return route to LaGuardia, or a diversion to a closer airport in New Jersey. The weight of the moment was palpable, with the lives of 155 passengers hanging in the balance. Yet, Captain Sullenberger, with a voice steady and imbued with decades of experience, made a decision that would soon become legendary. "We can't do it," he declared, the finality of his words cutting through the tension. "We're gonna be in the Hudson." In the midst of a chilling atmosphere and against all odds, Captain Sully Sullenberger showcased an extraordinary blend of expertise and calm. With both engines failed and the weight of 155 lives on his shoulders, he masterfully maneuvered the aircraft, making a controlled descent onto the icy embrace of the Hudson River. As the plane settled, the vast expanse of water around them became a scene of frenzied activity. Ferries altered their courses. Boats of all sizes sped towards them, and the city's bravest first responders leapt into action. In a breathtaking display of unity and swift action, every passenger and crew member was safely plucked from the impending danger. This awe-inspiring event soon earned its rightful title, the Miracle on the Hudson. But here's the second thing I regret not knowing sooner. The heroism of that day extended far beyond the confines of the cockpit. The flight attendants, Doreen Welsh, Sheila Dale, and Donna Dent, were the unsung heroes on that fateful flight, with the plane rapidly sinking and chaos unfolding around them. These three women drew upon their extensive training and unwavering professionalism. They swiftly and efficiently guided terrified passengers to the exits, ensuring that everyone from the elderly to young children was safely evacuated. Their calm demeanor amidst the panic was a beacon of hope, and their actions that day stand as a testament to the often overlooked bravery of cabin crew members in crisis situations. The haunting yet inspiring footage of passengers silhouetted against the vast expanse of the Hudson River, standing precariously on the wings of the downed plane, waiting for rescue, became an emblematic representation of human hope and resilience in the face of dire adversity. This image, which captured the hearts and minds of millions around the world, was not just a snapshot of a moment, but the culmination of a series of rapid, life-saving decisions and actions. From Captain Sully's unparalleled skill in the cockpit to the unwavering professionalism of the cabin crew, from the swift response of emergency services to the spontaneous acts of kindness from ordinary New Yorkers on nearby boats and ferries. This event was a testament to the collective human spirit and the profound impact of teamwork during a crisis. And the third thing that stands out prominently is the aftermath of this harrowing event. The Miracle on the Hudson transcended beyond a mere tale of survival. It evolved into a profound narrative of unity and human connection. In the emotionally charged days that ensued, passengers, crew members, And the brave rescuers came together, sharing not just their individual stories, but also their tears, fears, and overwhelming gratitude. This collective experience wove them together, creating an unbreakable bond that served as a poignant reminder. It underscored the idea that even when faced with the most dire of circumstances, the indomitable spirit of humanity has the power to shine through, illuminating even the darkest corners with hope and resilience. Now, over a decade later, the profound lessons of Flight 1549 continue to echo in the hearts of many. In an era where division and discord seem to dominate headlines, the tale of this miraculous landing stands as a beacon of hope. It's a poignant reminder that despite our differences, we all share an intrinsic human bond. This story underscores our innate potential for unparalleled greatness, especially when faced with adversity. More importantly, it serves as a testament to the awe-inspiring outcomes we can achieve when we unite in purpose and spirit. So what can you do? Share this story. Remind someone today of the incredible feats we can achieve when we work together. And the next time you face a challenge, big or small, remember the miracle on the Hudson and believe in the power of human spirit. Because sometimes the most extraordinary stories come from the most unexpected places. And knowing them, cherishing them, can change our perspective forever. Be inspired, be hopeful, and always believe in miracles. Subscribe, like, and share with others as a support to our channel so we can keep bringing you videos like this one. This is History Today, this day. Thanks for watching. We will see you in the next episode.